I want to tell you a story. This story is about pain. This story is about regret. This story is about a son, or maybe a daughter. This story is about parents who are no longer alive. I wish I had respected my parents more. I wish I had listened to them. I wish I had spoken to them with a soft voice. But today, my parents are not alive. And this pain is very deep in my heart. When I was young, my parents were always there. They woke up early for me. They worked hard for me. They worried about me every day. They loved me without asking for anything. But I did not understand this love. When my father talked to me, sometimes I did not listen. I was busy. I was tired. I thought I knew better. I thought I was smart. I thought I had time. My mother called my name many times. She asked simple things. She asked me to eat. She asked me to rest. She asked me to be careful. Sometimes I answered with anger. Sometimes I answered with silence. Sometimes I did not answer at all. I did not know that one day their voices would stop forever. My father's voice was strong but kind. He did not talk a lot. But when he talked, he wanted to teach me life. He wanted to protect me. He wanted me to be safe. Many times I did not respect his words. I said, "You don't understand." I said, "This is my life." I walked away. I closed the door. Now I would give anything to hear his voice again. Even one sentence. Even one warning. Even one simple word. My mother's hands were always warm. She cooked for me. She cleaned for me. She prayed for me. She cried for me in silence. I remember her eyes. They were full of love, but sometimes they were full of sadness. That sadness was because of me. I did not see it then. I see it now. One day, my father became sick. At first, we thought it was nothing. He said he was fine. He smiled. He told us not to worry. But he was not fine. I was busy with my life, with my work, with my friends, with my phone. I did not sit next to him enough. I did not ask him how he really felt. Then one day, he was gone. The house became very quiet. Too quiet. No footsteps, no cough, no voice. I remember standing in the room. I could not breathe. I could not speak. I wanted to scream, but no sound came out. I wanted to say, "I am sorry. I should have listened. I should have respected you." But it was too late. My mother changed after that. She smiled less. She talked less. She became smaller, like a candle losing light. I should have been kinder. I should have stayed with her more. I should have hugged her every day. But again, I thought I had time. One night she called my name. Her voice was weak. I was tired. I said, "Later." There was no later. She passed away quietly, like a soft wind, like a light going out. That night, my world broke. Now I wake up every day with regret. Regret is heavy. It sits on my chest. It follows me everywhere. I talk to them in my mind. I say, "Mom, Dad, I am sorry. I was young. I was foolish. I did not understand love." But they do not answer. People say time heals everything. This is not true. Time teaches you the pain. Time teaches you the value. But time does not bring them back. If I could go back, I would do small things. I would listen more. I would argue less. I would speak softly. I would say, "Thank you." I would say, "I love you." Respect is not big words. Respect is patience. Respect is listening. Respect is kindness. I learned this too late. Now, I tell this story to you. Maybe you are young. Maybe your parents are still alive. Please listen to them. Please respect them. One day, silence may come. And silence is very loud. If your parents are alive, hug them today. If they speak, listen. If they are old, be patient. Love them now. Respect them now. Because when they are gone, no apology is enough. No tear is enough. No regret can change the past. This is my pain. This is my story. And it will stay with me forever.